Reason number one. But no, seriously, today I'm gonna do more than likely just butcher my hair. I'm actually gonna teach you something with this whole endeavor. Confirmed. Yes, I know the time. It's not 3 a.m., but you know what? J-Station gone, confirmed. So we don't gotta worry about that, gamers. First of all, and I'll explain as we go. Also, I've only seen a few YouTube haircut tutorials. Of course, I'll link them in the description. But
gentlemen, you're gonna need a pair of sharp scissors, a comb, and then in this box,
it's you.
Old Faithful.
Nah. Let's get it. Oh god, here we go. Oh god. Oh, did I f up? Ah, So, what am I gonna actually teach you instead of just showing you the butchering process? Well, alright. So, things like this will always look better when done by an expert. I mean, sure, you can do pretty good on your own, especially with practice. You know, even like a lot of practice. You know, years of doing something yourself, you're gonna get very good at it, especially since you'll get to know your own hair. However, getting the level of professionalism, I mean, doesn't come quickly. As a career, there's a level of skill that has to come, that does, as long as they're still doing good in it, if that makes sense. You can't replicate it, you know? You can't replicate a professional unless you are a professional. It's their whole job. Okay, I'm getting super itchy. The video is probably getting real long. I'm gonna finish this up and give you the final points, all right? Well, that's that. Not as bad as I thought it'd be. Not as good as I thought it'd be. Here. Peek the neck. How is it? Be honest. Be brutally honest. Just kidding, gamer. You don't gotta worry about that. I told you I was here to teach you something, not to give me a peer review. Now, on top of professionalism, well, it's flat out easier for someone from a third person view to see your hair when we're talking about haircuts in particular. However, when you've been in a field so long, you start to know how to do little things just that much better, as well as have your own flair that just works so perfectly from instance to instance, circumstance to circumstance. You can't replicate that on your own, not without great experience. Like, for example, in the haircut analogy we're doing, around the ears, obvious huge flaw there, despite how careful I was. And trust me, I spent like half an hour on the ears, if you can believe that. But on top of that, going out and interacting with people like this, it builds your soft skills, builds your social skills, builds your talking skills. If those aren't developed, you will become lonely very quickly, whether you're an introvert or an extrovert. You'll start to feel isolated from people. A lack of communication, there's a reason that it's such a killer in relationships. It's a killer in your social life, in your social soul, right? I think it's very important. And honestly, just getting outside the house in general it's nice, you know? Get some sun, touch some grass, I think is what they're saying now. But gamer, that's just gonna do it for today. Hey, Brad from the future here. An important point I really forgot to make, which somehow, the standard you hold, the things you do for yourself, your environment, just how you present yourself in general, or your quality of life, or anything that affects other people and yourself, really reflects the standards you hold point blank. So, I mean, just think about that for a minute next time you feel like skimping on something that needs professional work. My goodness. Amy, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, link for the video that I used is in the description. I did end up going with just one video. He really knows what he's doing. It was phenomenal. I only used clippers. I tried using scissors once. I messed it up. I had to fix it with his methods. But check it out. Amazing stuff. And you know what? If you want to see something absurd, I recommend this. Or, you know what? I generally don't recommend this, but you know what? I don't want to leave you hanging. So stay epic, and hopefully we talk soon. You know I love you, right? Specifically you.